I gotta just, I'll do fucking shot.
Chica 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't mess with a motherfucking beehive. One, two, three, four, five, six. Pretty girls always suck my dick. Then was going to say a little word on this.
Always up my ass with that motherfucking shit on that ass.
Up on that ass.
Take it up in the air with some. What?
Chicka chicka what?
Take it up in the air.
Chicka 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 what? Up in the air. Chicka 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 what?
Doing a robot on that ass right now. Bow chicka blow wow.
Jesse on the bass. You know them hot bitches always want to sit on my motherfucking face.
On his motherfucking face.
On my face. On my motherfucking face. On my dick. With a stick. Click, click, boom, nigga. Chicka chicka what, nigga?
Hey, boom.
Had a little chicken, he wouldn't lay an egg, so I poured hot and chisel up and down its leg. Up and down its leg. If we didn't have chickens, we wouldn't have eggs. If we didn't have bodies, we wouldn't have legs.
Have legs.
If we didn't have a hair, we wouldn't have a head.
We wouldn't have beer. We wouldn't have kegs.
If we didn't have a beard, we wouldn't have a face. Let's tie your motherfucking shoelace. I had a little chicken, his name was Reginald. I loved him so, but I ran over him with a bicycle. I'm sorry, Reginald.
Cycling. Cycling. Cycling.
Crush it up. Crush it up with the bicycle, nigga. Crush it up. Crush it up.
Dude, stop, dude. Good God.
Crush it up.
Crush it up.
Crush it.
Crush it up.
About half
drunk. I'm just. I think you're half drunk.
I'm a little drunk. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little drunk. We're gonna fall asleep.
Sounds like some Tone Loc shit there. Tone Loc.
What's this song? Funky Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. We stopped recording? We didn't stop recording.
And I,
One of those is mine.
Woo!
We didn't stop.